Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we got all the parts in. We're gonna hop up the Navi here. We got the variator and the clutch, and we're gonna swap all that stuff out and see what happens. So stay tuned. Trevor's gonna be doing the work too. See ya. So what size ratchet are you using there?
8mm.
8mm? Quarter inch ratchet?
Yeah. And then I think we had to take this one out.
Take a look at it.
Oh, it's been a while since I looked at how to one of these off. All that work.
Yep, that's supposed to come off. That bracket has to come off. Don't forget about that screw. Yep. That holds that cable or whatever in place.
That sounds like a lot longer screw.
Nah.
Felt like a lot longer screw.
It goes into the case. Yeah, that's what she said, right?
Yeah.
Now, can we move the case out of the way, or do we have to take it off? I think you loosen that screw for with the intake on there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or air, not really intake. Whatever it is.
I think so, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I think we can kind of drape it down with that.
Yeah.
Again, I'm trying to remember exactly how everyone did it, but I recall roughly.
I don't know, there's 8 or 9 screws, I think, right?
Yeah.
I don't really have a mallet, but you might, it may not just pop off. You may have to tap it. Somewhere I have a little hammer.
There's a little one right here.
Yeah. Use the, the rubber end, the black end. There we go.
Yeah.
What are we held up on here? There we go. There we go. All right, everybody, we'll be right back, hopefully once the truck stops running. Now you should be able to get that pipe loose of the case. There you go.
Wow. Look at all that belt crud all over that.
Yep. Yep, you're wearing that belt. That's what it is. It's belt dust. All that belt dust.
All right, boss, I think this is where you take over.
All right.
Really show me how to do it.
So now we need the impact and those sockets that I got you. Oh yeah, we're doing the weights too.
Yeah. I figured let's do it.
Well, we're already in here. Mazel. And then this goes in here. And then this. Oh, where they lost the little, wow. All right, so there's a,
Something flew out of here.
thing's hot from riding it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh. Don't lose this. This is, these go on this, these pieces here. These go here. And no, so there's this one has to come out, and this one goes in, I believe. See? These two. So take these two out and use these. Okay, see that?
Yeah.
Oh, what a coincidence. 10 millimeter, of course. 4 millimeter. A 4 millimeter Allen. And these screws are required so that the Variator doesn't get jammed. It'll jam on the heads of these bolts.
Okay.
So and now we got to get this guy off. That's a pretty good fit. It's interesting that it says 3/4. Oh, and this is where we need the clutch tool to hold this guy.
Oh.
Wow. All right, hang on a second. I got something for your ass. I got a cross wrench. Oh yeah. There we go.
Wow. Wow.
I don't know. All I know is that I told you I got something for it.
All right. Well, take it out so I can put it back in the center stand.
All right, go ahead.
Now, how am I gonna get that spring out?
See, that's what that bigger socket was for. I told you that I gave you a bigger socket. It's here somewhere. All right, so we found the big nut buster. What is this? 39 inches of pure power.
Bring it down a little more.
39 inches. That's what she said. That's it.
Wow, okay.
Whoa. So, that out of the way. And nice. I believe.
I like all the stickers.
So where's the... Okay.
Get that back in.
I got it.
Okay.
Yep, we'll turn it the other way. I'll hang on for dear life. All right. So, this just goes back on. Oh, get the belt on first.
Oh man, I cannot wait to feel the gains on this thing.
Right?
I mean, I did not spend $314 for nothing.
Right?
Sure as hell. I hope not. No, we're good. I trust Life of Birch.
Yep. And then the nut that was on there. I think I'm going to put this washer back on.
Okay.
I mean, it didn't come with a washer, but there's an indent for a washer. So I'm going to put that washer on. That makes sense.
God, that's a lot lighter. Let's feel what this feels like.
That thing's a boat anchor.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. It's a freaking boat anchor, man. Here. Feel the difference.
Oh, I know the difference already. That's huge. Huge difference.
Feels pretty big in the hand.
It's my left hand too, so it always feels really different, you know?
Exactly. kind of using the ground to wedge it, right? You know what I think I'm going to do also? We're going to giving it the business. I'm giving it the business with this too, since that's the way I took it off. Oh yeah. I dare you to come loose. All right. Okay. All right. She's in it to win it. Now we can move that out of the way. And then what do we got left with this kit here? Where's the rest of the new stuff? Good shot here, and I will show everybody. Okay, so we figured out with these Dr. Pulley, these slider weights or whatever, not the roller weights, you know, it kind of looks like a B, and where it's kind of flat and then rolls around, and there's like the two facets here. That goes, the flat side goes up against to the inside of the pulley. So, and then you put your cover on like that. And get that in there. Okay, I figured it out. It's this piece. So that makes sense now to me. This goes on here. I'm a dupayage.
Is that dumbass in Spanish?
Yeah, not Spanish, Polish.
Oh.
That's what my grandma used to call me all the time.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she's nice.
Good to know that your grandma called you a dumbass all the time.
She did.
Well, look at you now.
Yes, I know, right?
Well,
Joke's on you, Grandma.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, and we can't forget about this cover. All right. I wonder if we can start this up without the cover on, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't we do that?
Okay.
Wheel spinning.
How's it looking?
Yeah, wheel spinning. Oh, I know. It's because it's RPM's a little low on the bike. Give it a little gas. Wow. All right, let's put the cover on.
Yeah.
It's because we have the intake off.
Oh, yeah. God, I forgot all about that.
Yep. All right, so we're going to put this back on, and then we're going to take it for a ride, everybody. All right, see, check out this cool helmet. We've added some lights to it. It looks white on camera, but it's more of like a blue. Anyways, going to take it for the first ride.
Yep.
All right, just go around the neighborhood here. Right. Don't go too far. Man, look at those. Turn on your high beam. Oh yeah, look at that. All right. All right, everybody. We'll see what he says when he gets back. All right. Let's see what he says. Oh, he lighting it up.
Yeah, there's a difference.
Big difference?
Yeah.
So acceleration?
It feels definitely more peppier.
Really?
Yeah.
When you whip on it, it really takes off?
Yeah.
And, you know, obviously you won't know about top end yet.
Not yet. I mean, I did 30. So,
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
And it was good?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You recording here?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay,
I
cool.
recorded at that first stop,
Oh, cool.
so-
All right, man. Take a little bit further. Don't go too far, though.
No, I won't.
All right.
All right.
Well,
Yeah.
a lot faster?
Yeah, I mean, I think the highest I got was 45,
45?
but at least I feel more confident pulling out. It's
Oh.
just enough, like, it's got that, like, low end,
Yep.
you know?
It gives you that confidence so you can pull out and not be afraid that it's going to take you a mile to speed up.
Yeah,
Oh, that's good.
yeah.
Everything seems fine. No weird vibrations or...
No? mean,
I cranked on those things, so
yeah, no,
everything should be fine.
Yeah, I think we're okay.
Cool.
Yeah,
All right, so 10 out of 10 would recommend.
yeah, good. $314 worth.
You got your funds worth.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, cool. All right, well, I guess that'll do it. We'll see you on the next one.
Sure.
Easy.